नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है रॉबिन सावन एंड आई एम बाय प्रोफेशन a coach, a trainer, a mentor, a facilitator. Today we have completed a month of this lockdown due to the COVID-19 situation. और पिछले 15-20 दिनों में मैंने काफ़ी दोस्तों से कुछ हमारे आसपास में जो पड़ोसी हैं उनसे सुना है कि लाइफ इज़ वेरी अनसर्टन. यार लाइफ बहुत अनसर्टन है, बहुत अनिश्चित हो गई है. तो मैं जब उनसे बात करता हूँ तो हमेशा यही उनसे कहता हूँ कि भैया लाइफ तो हमेशा ही अनसर्टन थी. व्हेन वाज लाइफ सर्टन? इट इज ऑलवेज बीन अनसर्टन. लाइफ बाय इट्स वेरी नेचर इज अनसर्टन. दैट्स राइट. हैव यू नोटिस्ड? बाय इट्स वेरी नेचर इट इज अनसर्टन. पर हम उसमें हमेशा सर्टनिटी ढूंढते रहते हैं. हमेशा सर्टनिटी चाहिए, हर चीज़ में सर्टनिटी चाहिए. इसलिए जब हम सुबह ऑफिस के लिए भी निकलते हैं तो हम क्या कह के निकलते हैं? सी यू इन द इवनिंग डार्लिंग. बच्चों को बोलते हैं स्वीटहार्ट सी यू इन द इवनिंग, है ना. पर कई बार कुछ लोग घर वापस नहीं आते. सो लाइफ हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अनसर्टन. वेदर इट वॉज दिस कोरोना वायरस सिचुएशन और नॉट, इट रियली डजंट मैटर. So inherently, life is uncertain. And if we can relate to that powerfully, then there are many possibilities that open up. But if we get stuck to life is uncertain, then it will grip us. There will be a lot of fear, there will be anxiety. The kind of actions that you could take, you will not take. Yes, because it's the amygdala that hijacks. If you know a little bit about brain science, it's the amygdala that will hijack. Whereas you don't want that to happen. So even though this is a situation, right now it's COVID-19, we are in a lockdown, we are inside, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of anxiety, people don't know what to do. But fear, anxiety and stress, it has always been there. Whether corona or not. कोरोना तो एक बहाना हो गया कि जी बहुत स्ट्रेस है. पर आपने हमेशा खुद कहा है, दूसरों को सुना है, ये कहते हो कि यार ज़िंदगी में बहुत स्ट्रेस है, बहुत स्ट्रेस है. इसीलिए ये तो कहीं जाएगा नहीं. ज़िंदगी की एक सच्चाई ये है कि ज़िंदगी में डर होगा, एंग्जाइटी होगी, स्ट्रेस होगा. जब तक आप जीवित हैं ये तीनों चीज़ें रहेंगी. उसके साथ साथ खुशी भी है, सक्सेस भी है, अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट भी है, फेलियर भी है. बस इतना हो गया कि because of this COVID-19 it's been amplified. That's all that has happened. So if you can just stay with that, life is always uncertain. Life is not going away. You will live as long as you live, and you will leave this world when you leave this world. But in spite of this current COVID situation, are there few things that you can do? Are there some actions that you can take? One of the things that you may start looking at, if you are a business person or you are an employee, look at how can I help my customers? Look at that. How can I help my customers? That may get you out of this situation of inaction that you may have gotten into. Look at how can I help them. Just like you are stuck, even the people you do business with, the people you work with, they are also stuck. So look at how can I help them. Nobody has an answer to this situation because nobody has ever dealt with it. If you go to your bosses or to your seniors for a solution to this COVID-19 situation, sorry, they won't have any because they have never dealt with such a situation ever. So relax. Use this time to learn something, to develop a new skill. Maybe read up on all those books that you've been wanting to. Write emails that you've been thinking of writing emails to. Call up people whom you have been intending to call up for a very long time but never had the time. Do all the talking, chatting that you want to do with your friends and with your loved ones. And you can chat on WhatsApp. It's video, it's live. I've been using WhatsApp a lot recently because my mother, who's 80-year-old, is here with me, and she would like to see some of her relatives, some of her nephews and nieces, her younger brother, his family, my younger brother who's out of the country. She wants to see them, she wants to talk to them. So I have been using this time making sure that I connect with them on WhatsApp, and she can see them, she can talk to them, and they are happy. I've been reading a lot of books, talking to people, some neighbors who have uh, staying here for more than 6 years but never introduced myself to them. I actually introduced myself to them, letting them know what I do, and got to know from them what they do. So this is a great time. And yes, friends, life is uncertain, and that's how it's going to be always. It has always been uncertain, it is uncertain, it will always be uncertain. The question is, what are you going to create in the face of that life is uncertain? जिंदगी अनिश्चित है. आप क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हो उसमें? Go and find out. Maybe you'll discover something. Maybe you'll create something that will make a huge contribution to this world. Go and play that. Go and see what you create. Okay? Catch you soon. Bye.